type sample specimen, outer diameter, 110 millimeters. The machine's impact center line is set at 76 millimeters. To adjust, subtract the radius from the center line. A 21 millimeter adjustment is needed, which can be made using the platform rulers. Maximum height adjustability on the machine's base. The maximum height adjustment for the machine's base is 50 millimeters. When testing smaller pipes, you may need to use the 10 millimeter and/or 50 millimeter spacers to adjust the base properly. Base adjustment. Adjust the bolts to raise or lower the base. Ensure that both the front and back rulers reflect the correct measurements for your sample. In this case, both should be set to 21 millimeters in height. Impact hammers and corresponding anvils. Various impact hammers are available, each with a corresponding support anvil. Hammer positioning before testing. Before starting the test, lower the hammer until it rests on the silicone pads inside the machine's left and right walls. The height can be adjusted using the computer or using the control display, which has 3 buttons, up 0 and down. Lower the hammer until it rests on the silicone pads. Removing the safety pin. Use the controller to zero the height before a test. Setting the height. Preset the height on the computer, then press up. The machine will automatically rise to the set height. Initiating the impact test. Before proceeding with the impact test, press Prepare on the software screen, then select Impact to start testing. Post-impact procedure. After completing an impact test, press down on the software. The upper crossbar will lower until it reconnects with the impact hammer assembly. Safety pin reminder. Always replace the safety pin before removing the sample or starting another test. Sample setup example. For a sample with a 50 millimeter outer diameter, the machine's center line is 76 millimeters. Subtract the outer radius, 50 millimeters divided by 2 equals 25 millimeters, from 76 millimeters, resulting in a 51 millimeter adjustment. Another example of setting up your sample according to UL651. Sample outer diameter, 50 millimeters. Center line of machine is 76 millimeters. Subtract outer radius, 50 millimeters divided by 2, from 76 millimeters to equal 51 millimeters. Final adjustments. Based on the previous calculation, the machine should be adjusted by 51 millimeters. Use the ruler to adjust the machine by 1 millimeter and add the 50 millimeter spacer base plate.